my name is Juan Carlos Santos and I'm a healthcare attorney that works for Chapman Law Group and I'm based out of the Miami office. Today I want to talk to you about the federal Anti-Kickback Statute. The Federal Anti-Kickback Statute is a regulation that applies to the healthcare field, and basically what it states in a nutshell is that a person cannot offer and or receive remuneration in cash or in kind for the referral of a healthcare product or service. This is extremely important because in other industries, let's say for example real estate, if you refer a person to buy an apartment, you usually will get a brokerage fee or a finder's fee or a commission. In healthcare, that is illegal. Although there's some safe harbors that Congress have enacted that can allow you to take commissions in certain cases. But basically, it's a criminal statute that you can end up in prison for a term of 10 years and a fine of $25,000. It's extremely important to mention that it applies to everybody that is involved in the healthcare industry. For example, sales rep, marketing people, physician, entities such as toxicology lab, pharmacies, medical entities. How can you get into trouble with this statute? Well, it's simple. I'll give you an example of a case that I just recently had. I had a client that he was a physician, and a sales rep for a DME company went to his company and told him, listen, I want you to become the medical director of my DME equipment company. My client states, hey, so what do I got to do? Nothing, just I want you to advise my sales rep and my people on how to use knee braces, back braces, and offer a conference from time to time and assist us in explaining what basically benefits our product brings to our clients. What happened was that he started getting paid $3,500 a month, and the sales rep never asked him to do any conference or do anything while working for him. So he was receiving money, but at the same time, he was sending his patients to the company, right, to receive knee braces and back braces. So the government basically sent or issued a subpoena or an indictment stating that he violated the Anti-Kickback Statute because that money that he was paid, he didn't provide services or rendered services for that amount of money that he was earning. So there's many ways that you can get into trouble with the Anti-Kickback. Now, many people believe that if you don't take federal money, Medicare and or Medicaid, you don't have to worry about the anti-kickback. That's false. Florida and each state of the union has enacted a state law that basically mirrors the Anti-Kickback Statute, Stark Law, and other regulations. But here in Florida, it's called the Florida Patient Brokering Act. So even if you're billing private insurance, you have to be extremely careful because the state of Florida can come after you. Also, ACA and Medicaid can come after you if they believe that you're taking Medicaid money and receiving or offering kickbacks to get clients and bill Medicare, Medicaid, or private insurance. When you are in the healthcare industry or you're going to enter into a business arrangement, marketing, or with any vendors, you should contact a healthcare attorney like myself so that we can advise you how to protect you from the Anti-Kickback Statute. Now, if you receive a subpoena, if you receive a search warrant that somebody came to your business, and or CID, which is called a civil investigative demand, that means that the process is extremely serious and you should immediately also contact a healthcare attorney. A healthcare attorney like myself will guide you and to work with the federal government to see how we can resolve this issue before they file either the indictment and or we can enter into a deal that will be favorable for all parties. So what I'm saying with this is that if you're in the healthcare industry, you have to be extremely careful of the amount of money that you receive from any vendors and or marketing companies or sales reps. So if you have a doubt of if you're doing things right or you're not violating the anti-kickback, please contact us so that we can advise you on how to do and or conduct yourself and your business properly where you follow all rules and regulations. If you already think that you violated the anti-kickback statute because you heard it from someone or you received a letter from the government, please immediately contact an attorney because you don't want to talk to the FBI with an attorney present. They can be extremely nice. They will come in with coffee. They're going to be a good cop and a bad cop, and you're probably going to tell them everything bad that you did, but you're going to say you're sorry. So we don't want to do that. Free advice. Don't say anything. Contact your attorney. My name again is Juan Santos. You can contact me here at the Miami office, and I hope you have a beautiful day.